Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Windows 10 from a bootable USB with Rufus detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Windows 10 from a bootable USB using Rufus, first, gather your materials. Ensure you have a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Next, download the Windows 10 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Once the ISO file is downloaded, go to the Rufus website and download the latest version of the software. After downloading Rufus, open the application. You may see a prompt asking for administrator permissions. Click Yes to continue. Insert your USB flash drive into the computer. In Rufus, locate your USB drive under the Device section. Select the USB drive from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Select button to locate the Windows 10 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Navigate to the location of the ISO file and double-click it. Ensure that the partition scheme is set to MBR4 older BIOS systems or GPT4 UEFI systems. Under the File System option, keep it set to NTFS. You can also change the volume label to something recognizable, like Win10 Setup. Once a warning will appear, informing you that all data on the USB drive will be deleted. Confirm this by clicking OK. Rufus will now format the drive and copy the necessary files. This process may take several minutes, so be patient. When the progress bar reaches 100%, Rufus will notify you that the process is complete. Click Close to exit Rufus. Safely eject your USB drive from the computer. Now, you are ready to install Windows 10 using your bootable USB. Insert the USB drive into the computer where you want to install Windows 10. Restart the computer and enter the BIOS or boot menu. This step may involve pressing a key like F2, F10, or Del during startup. Once in the BIOS or boot menu, set the USB drive as the primary boot device. Save your changes and exit. The computer will restart and begin booting from the USB drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the Windows 10 installation. Select your language, time, and keyboard preferences, then click Next. On the next screen, click on Install Now. Enter your Windows 10 product key if prompted, or choose. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.